Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to put a book on hold through Destiny. If you go to Hoodcase website, you go to the Library tab, click on Online Library Resources, click right here where it says Destiny Library Catalog. It's going to come up with all of Alvin ISD schools. You scroll down and find Hoodcase Elementary. Click on that. Then right up here in the right hand corner it says Log In. Click on that. Your username is your ID number. I'm going to use my son's. Your password is your initials, the year you were born, and 2 zeros. Then click Log In. You're going to see this screen. If you go to Catalog, and you can type in any search that you would like. So I'm going to search for a Star Wars book. And we're going to search by title. So any of these over here will show whether they are available or not. Even if they are not available, you can put a book on hold. Some of them will show that it's an ebook. So just for time's sake, I'm going to go right here, Star Wars: The Clone Wars. I'm going to click on the title. Once it loads, you see the title, a picture of the book, and then right over here there's a button that says Hold It. You're going to press it, and it says Hold Requested for Star Wars: The Clone Wars Bombad Jedi. That will send a message to Miss Sewell and Miss Bell that you would like to hold that book. That's all you have to do to hold books in Destiny.